Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with another delicious and yummy pudding recipe, cream caramel or caramel pudding. It's a custard dessert with a layer of clear caramel sauce. In this video, I'm sharing two types of caramel pudding with and without eggs. It's easy to make yet little tricky. Follow my instructions and same ingredients, then you'll get a perfect pudding. Hope you'd like it. Let's begin. First, let's make a real taste of caramel pudding using eggs. In a saucepan, adding 2 cups full fat milk and 1/3 cup and 1 tablespoon sugar. You may add more or less sugar, it depends on your taste. Heat the pan over medium flame. Stir it until all the sugar is dissolved. Don't boil the milk and keep aside and let it cool down slightly. Take any flat bottom pudding mold. You can take cake tray like this. Here I'm taking this type of steel mold, or you can take 4 small sized individual ramekins. Grease the mold with oil or butter. This will make it easy to remove the pudding from the mold. Now let's make the caramel sauce. Heat a thick bottom pan or non-stick pan over low-medium flame. Adding half a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons water. Let it sit until the sugar syrup becomes lightly colored. Swirl the pan gradually. Don't put spoon or spatula, just swirl it. Now stir gently till you get a nice amber color. Remove immediately from the heat to ensure the caramel doesn't burn. Quickly pour the caramel into the pudding mold as required. Swirl the mold immediately to even layer. Set aside to cool and become hard. I have some remaining caramel sauce. Let's make some decoration for pudding. Take a bowl, spread some oil and literally drizzle over the top. It's completely optional. If you don't want to decor your pudding, just skip this. It's time for custard making. In a bowl, break 4 eggs, whisk it very gently, don't overmix. Adding just a pinch of salt. Pour the milk little by little, whisk it very gently. The milk should be lukewarm. Adding 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, whisk it again. Strain the mixture. Slowly pour the egg mixture into the prepared mold. Cover with a silver foil. The foil will prevent the surface from getting dry. It will also help steam the pudding evenly. Heat water in a large pot over medium heat. Put any stand like this and gently place the mold in it. Cover with a lid and steam the pudding for 25 to 30 minutes or until the knife inserted comes out clean. Remove from the pot, let it cool down completely, then transfer to the fridge overnight. It's serving time. Take it out from the fridge. Run a small knife around the edge of the mold to loosen the custard. Quickly invert the custard onto a plate. And our pudding is perfectly done. If you don't want small holes on your pudding, follow these 3 tips and you will never go wrong. First, don't overbeat the eggs, otherwise causing air bubbles in it, having those holes after being steamed. Second one, don't pour the mixture directly on the caramel. Strain the egg mixture, then pour into the mold. And the last one, don't overcook the pudding. A pudding doesn't take more than 25 to 30 minutes to get done. If you follow this, you will get a velvety soft and smooth pudding. Mine, the texture was good and taste was delicious. Let's move to the next one, eggless caramel pudding. If you don't want to add eggs in your dessert, then go for it. Making caramel sauce, follow the same procedure. In a bowl, adding 3/4 cup yogurt, take vanilla flavor sweet yogurt, whisk it well without any lumps. For this, add 1 cup of full fat milk, half a cup of condensed milk, one tablespoon custard powder. You may also add corn flour instead, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk it well. Adding just a pinch of salt for balanced sweetness, mix it well and strain it. Pour the mixture very gently. Break the bubbles using tissue paper. Cover with the foil and steam for 25 to 30 minutes. Again, don't oversteam. After 30 minutes, remove from the pan, let it cool down completely and keep it in the fridge at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight. Remove from the fridge, run the blade of a knife around the mold and invert. And the perfect eggless cream caramel is ready to be served. Cut and serve very cold. Hope you'll enjoy it. Do try out and let me know your lovely feedback. That's all for today. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.